Hello, we're outside. Oh my god, I need to show you something. Look, it's a thing. Gravy. Hi. Me too, girl. My sister has some friends over and they're being kind of loud, so I thought I'd film this intro outside. So it's more of like an out intro. I don't know. Literally, every time I try and film outside, like, I feel like my neighbors will, like, go up to the wall where I film and they'll just stand there and listen. It's so weird. Like, it's really weird. Yeah, I don't like being, like, heard, and I don't like being watched when I film. So it's really creepy when, like, they just kind of, like, will stand there and, like, watch me film. It's just so weird. It's 2019, guys. Happy New Year. And I thought I would be a little crazy. Can you even see me? I don't know. Not that way. I thought I would start the new year off being a little adventurous and dye my hair. And my hair is extremely dirty. Usually when I dye my hair, I like to start off with clean, fresh hair, but I just have been so busy with work, and I'm not even gonna lie, I've been a little lazy, but this is like 2-3 days without washing my hair, and we're just going to dye it and see what happens, you know. And I'm trying this new hair dye by Clairol Professionals. It's called something dark. I don't remember. You'll see it right now. But it's hair dye specifically made for naturally dark hair like mine. It's like a dark brown color. So it's gonna be great. It's gonna be fun. Is this kind of like a vloggy poo style? Cool. But I hope you don't mind the rest of the video from here on until further notice is going to be filmed in black and white because I don't want to spoil the hair color until like the big reveal. So I'm gonna take you to my bathroom now. Come on, you guys, come on, let's go to my bathroom. It's gonna be great. Don't mind the mess, but yeah, it's gonna be really cool. I'm excited, and I'll see you shortly. Okay, so I've been held up in my room for about half an hour and I have the heater on full blast. So I've just been sitting in humidity for, oh my lord, how did that happen? I don't know. I'm hoping that the heat did something to it. I know the instructions said to leave it on for about 20 minutes. I always like to put a little extra time, sometimes double it, to make sure it's really stuck on there. So it's been about half an hour or so, give or take, and I'm gonna go wash my hair now. These are the products that I'm using to wash my hair because this is just what I always use. I don't know off the top of my head if they are color safe. Yes to cucumbers. I believe it is because it has organic product in there, I guess. So I'm really hoping that they both are. I couldn't find anything on the bottles and I'm not very good with Googling, so I couldn't get like a straight yes or no answer if they are. Look at this, it's like falling off in here. Let's just take that off. But I'm gonna go wash my hair out and hopefully the color stayed. If not, it's okay. I still have like half the bottle, so it's another chance, I guess. But I will see you guys when I'm out of the shower. We are done. Okay, so I have a really terrible backdrop right now. Excuse that. It's just a towel thrown. Art. So this is the end result. This is my fault. It's just like all in the root area and like some areas didn't get it, but I'm not a professional. Clearly. So I have no idea what the heck I'm doing. But it didn't turn out completely terrible. I still have half the bottle, so I'm probably just going to end up like going back and redoing it. But I think it's like fairly okay for a person that doesn't know what they're doing half the time. Yeah, I think it's actually like really close to what it was supposed to be. No, it's not. Never mind. Okay, but it's Clairol Professional Flare Me Dark, and I wanted to do my entire head, but this is what happened. I don't think it turned out that bad, actually, considering myself. The only thing I have to say though is my hair feels dirty still, and I don't think that was me because I've been washing my hair for 25 years now and I know how to wash my hair and it never feels like this. So it has to be the product. I don't know, maybe. But all in all, it's a good product. I would recommend it. It's for dark hair only. That's like naturally dark, no pre-darkened hair. So maybe that's why it didn't really work too much on my hair, because I used to be like a light brown and then I did blonde and then I went dark again and then I went blonde again and I went dark again. So like my hair has been through a lot. You can kind of see it. It's nice. It's not too bad. I do kind of like it. It makes my eyes pop too. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, I think it was a good product and good doing for me. Good job, Jazz. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Happy New Year, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. The subscription button is down below, and become a member of the Wolfpack, because we're still that. We're still the Wolfpack, even though I've changed my name. You might have noticed that, some of you people. But yes, I'm gonna do a Q&A video because I realized I've never done one before on this channel. So I'm gonna do that now. But thanks for watching. And Clairol Professionals, thank you for this. You did nothing for me. I bought this with my own money and did it myself. So yay. I have a really dark circle under my eyes. Anyways, okay, I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye.